ChatGPT, the AI-powered CEO replacement. Welcome to today's video exploring the potential of ChatGPT, an AI language model that can replace CEOs. With natural language processing, ChatGPT can analyze data, make decisions, provide insights. Imagine a future where AI leads companies to unparalleled success. Meet ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model with impressive natural language processing capabilities. ChatGPT can analyze complex business scenarios and make informed decisions faster than any human CEO. Leveraging its vast knowledge base and analytical capabilities, ChatGPT can provide actionable insights for businesses. ChatGPT makes decisions solely based on the best interests of the company, leading to more equitable outcomes. ChatGPT acts as a valuable mentor and consultant to employees, fostering a culture of continuous learning and growth. CEOs can focus on long-term vision, strategy, fostering innovation. Embracing AI technologies like ChatGPT can optimize efficiency, increase productivity, and lead to unprecedented growth. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the role of CEOs with advanced capabilities in data analysis, decision-making, and unbiased insights. Embrace the future and let ChatGPT transform your business. Subscribe, like, comment,